my name is Teena and this is going to be a full face using new makeup tutorial, I guess. I know this is not trending, but it also gives me the chance to try all the new products that I recently gotten a few months ago that I just haven't showed you guys yet. And I know I haven't been making a lot of makeup tutorials, so this is just a good opportunity to show you my first impressions with all the new products that I have. And I promise you guys I will be making more makeup reviews and makeup tutorials soon, but for now this is it, my accidental sunset smoky eye look that I have made. I'm going to talk to you about products that I have gotten either from PR or products that I have bought myself. To be honest, I haven't really bought a lot of makeup for myself since I was in America, which was December, January. So yung mga nabili kong products, basically I haven't been using since I got it. So this is the first time I'm using it, and all of it will be my first impressions. And I hope you appreciate these kinds of videos. If you want it, tell me and I will be making more of first impressions with certain products that you guys want. By the way, if you have any suggestions, comment down below because I want to know what you guys want to see in my channel. So without further ado, let's just go on with the video. Okay, so now that my foundation is really done with, I look crazy. The foundation on the lips is really bothering me. So I'm just going to remove that real quick. Even I look crazier! This is only my lip tattoo from Pretty Looks. Okay, I'm not using any lipstick. It's so funny. I look like a clown. Whoa! If only you saw it! Na-shoot ko yung tatlong box sa trash can. Anyways, okay. So for the brows, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. The last time I used a brow kit like this, parang college pa ako nun, so medyo matagal na. So it has 2 brow powder and then 1 like gel. From what I know is that you use the powder first and then the gel after to like set it all in place, I think. So I'm just gonna do that. Medyo nag-crease na me. You know what? I'm just gonna set my foundation first kasi mukha na pa special. This is new, but I didn't get it from a PR kit. I am using Flormar Loose Powder and this is in medium sand. Just to bring back some color, I guess. Yeah, set lang natin ang slide. Okay, I'm just going to use the lighter one first. Oh, it's very pigmented. Use it with a light hand. I like this a lot. Okay, I don't want to overdo it and put the darkest on my outer brow. Okay, sinira ko siya. Dirty na. Wait, how do you do this? Do you just go like that? Oh my god, I think I did something wrong. You just kind of like comb it through like that, like yung wax. Because I think that's working. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I like that. Yeah, I really like this. Lately, because I've been obsessing more on powdered brow products. So this is nice. I think it's nice that Wet n Wild is trying to get back in the game. They're trying to bring more of the American products that we never had here. So that's nice because I've heard a lot of good Wet n Wild products. So it's nice to start with a good brow. Okay, for eyeshadow, this is not from PR, but I bought it myself and I haven't used it yet. This is the Juvia palette in the Magic. Oh, diba? Such pretty colors that I'm never gonna be. So I think we should go a bit neutral because I also want to use my Colourpop Supernova shadow. It's a champagne glittery liquid eyeshadow and I really want to try it on. So first, yung eyeshadows muna. I want to use Nana as my transition shade and then maybe this just to put as a base for my glitter eyeshadow. You know what? I'm just gonna wing it, okay? Oh, orange pala si Nana. It's a really nice orange shade though. Oh, Nana. What's my name? Then maybe let's darken it with Zakia. Juvia's palettes are so pigmented. It's crazy. And then I'll just blend. Oh my gosh. Sobrang pigment. Wild. Ah! Yun na. Okay. I'm going to use Kessie just to base my liquid glitter thingy majig. Oh my gosh. Even that is so pigmented. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to my Colourpop liquid eyeshadow. I'm not that used to using liquid eyeshadows just yet, so I'm gonna try it with a brush first. Oh, okay, it's taking forever. Let's cut that crease a little bit. Yeah, okay, okay. It's not glittery, it's more metallic, I feel like. I mean, it's still pretty. It's just not what I expected. Going back to my blending brush. Oh, shit. Hindi siya blendable, guys. Okay, pwede na. Pero, hindi pa rin masyado. Oh, well. Actually, okay siyang base. I feel like the Colourpop, but it's not gonna be best. It's not gonna be like Stila. Okay, so I'm just gonna use Borono on top. Ay, bakit siya orange? Parang siyang naging gold. Ano ba to? Tinakpanan ko? Oh my god. I'm gonna mix pink with that. Oh my gosh, I'm effing this eye up right before your very eyes. Pwede na. Forgivable. Not the best work I've ever done. Then that's what first impressions are. You learn about products. So this is what I did. I mixed these two together. For the lower eye, parang I want to play with color. Parang I want to do blue. Let's just do it. Yehidi. I don't know how you pronounce the shade. Oh, the pigment is so freaking real. Oh my goodness gracious. It's so pretty. Should I do all the way? I should do all the way. Grabe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like ink. Oh my gosh, kumalat! Oh my god. This is actually really nice. I'm just going to try to clean it off a bit with the makeup eraser. Let's try to erase some of that blue. So this is from Beauty Haul. Let's try to just erase a little bit of... Oh, it's working! Oh, yeah. Ayan. Oh my god, this is so perfect. This is so perfect. So, meron pa siyang mga extrang tips. So, para in case na sobrang madumi na siya. This is perfect. This was so timely. Thank you, Des, for this. Beauty Haul by Days. Eyeliner naman. I feel like this needs a bit of eyeliner on top. Just so if I put falsies on, it's gonna look okay. I'm using Colorette Liquid Eyeliner in Cleo. I don't normally like yung mga dinidip na eyeliner. This seems nice. There's precision in the brush, which I appreciate. Should I wing it out? Should I wing it out? Yeah, I think I should kasi naka-wing na siya. Oh, diba? Hinabaan. Kulang Cleopatra pa lang naging look natin today. It drags a little bit after it dries. Okay, this is kind of weird. I'm not happy with it yet. Feeling ko with these types of eyeliners, you go big or you go home. So, lagi akong napapakapal na wala sa oras. Tapos, lagi ka pang meron ka ng mascara. O, diba? 2 in 1. The eyeliner is not straight and now OC ako. That should be fine now. Nope. See, I don't know. With these eyeliners, parang lagi siyang crooked. Or hindi ko lang talaga siya gamay. And I hate it. And then after a while that you keep adding and adding it, sobrang kapal niya na it's turning a little bit crusty. So, okay, I'm just gonna go back to my eyeshadow a bit and blend it higher because my eyeliner is just so thick. Okay, I think I'm becoming a sunset. No. Okay, I'm gonna try to recreate this on the other eye. Okay, so this is the final look. Low-key liking it, low-key hating it, so I don't know. So medyo magulo si under eye. I'm actually just gonna go back in with the DERMACOL 208. I'm using a smaller brush this time just to be more precise. A little goes a long way talaga, my goodness. And okay. Oh my god, nasa mata pa lang ang oras na. Go back in with my foundation brush. Kind of blend it. Buti na lang di pa ako nagsaset pala ng under eye kanina. Okay, so I don't have any new powder. I'm just gonna use whatever to set my under eye because it's creasing AF, so. Okay, now for the lashes, I'll just be using this lashes that I got from Kachi Salon. She's a makeup artist and I love her work. So I just tried it out. I'll show you. I 50% like this, 50% not so much. Let's try it again and give it the benefit of the doubt. It looks really nice kasi, oh, pag tinignan mo ganyan, parang, oh wow, like, yeah, hell yeah. Okay, so this is the lashes. It looks nice, but I wish it was more, I don't know. Do I like it? Actually, yeah, I do like it. Okay, so now moving on to my face contour because I look super duper white. Benefit Cosmetics recently came out with this Complexionista, and then when you open it, it has a mirror and it has 2 concealers, Hoola Light, Hoola Bronzer, a cream highlighter, and a Dandelion Twinkle. It's a very satiny highlight. This is perfect kasi you have number 1 boing, number 2 which is if you're darker, and then you have the Hoola Light, and then you have the Hoola Bronzer. These two I can tell you is amazing. If you're really fair, use Hoola Light. If you're normal, Hoola Bronzer is perfect. I'm not gonna use this because I already powdered my face. Right now I'm just gonna use these two to contour my face. So first I'm gonna warm up my face with the Hoola Light. I actually already have this even before getting it in this PR package, and I love it. Warms my face right away like that. If you do not want like a really harsh bronzer, this could be it for you. It just gives you warmth, and sometimes that's all you need, and it smells amazing. O diba? Bumabalik na yung kulay ko. Yun naman akong vampira. If you want to darken it, you could just like swirl like that. O diba? It's nice and convenient. I'm gonna darken the sides like that. Very convenient because it has a mirror. So, double plus whammy. Don't forget your jawline. Pag wala, lagyan natin. That's what contouring is about. I'm going to contour my nose as well with it. Hula naman. Hula lang. For blush, I'm using Gold Rush. Again, from Benefit. It's like a soft pink color with a little bit of gold in it. Hindi siya masyadong kita sa camera. It looks very goldy in the pan, but it's not. It's very satiny actually. So don't be too scared with it. Oh, yung bango! Oh my god! Parang ka nagpabango. O, diba? I have a really tiny table, guys. Sobrang pa-sweet lang. I love it. Okay, now for the highlight. Of course, we need highlight. First, before we apply that, I'm going to set my face real quick. I'm using Nude Shine Control Lasting Makeup Mist. Smells okay. Gonna let it dry. For the highlight, I'm using Wet n Wild Highlighting Powder Illuminator in Mega Glow. This is a champagne pink color. Matagal na tong wala sa Pilipinas, and finally guys, meron na. You know what? I'm gonna use the brush that they gave me para lang magamit natin because they are selling brushes as well. Let's see if this brush works. It doesn't. Not so much. Okay, you know what? Never mind. Yeah. Ang ganda, guys. Para siyang Becca ni Jaclyn Hill. Siya champagne pop. Nox, very luminous. Yan, I love this. Okay, now for the lipstick. Parang gusto kong mag-gloss bigla. Mukha siyang summer smoky eye. You know? So parang I kind of want to use a nude lip. I was supposed to use a red lipstick, but I feel like the nude color will make this look more neutral and more wearable. And that's what we want here. Okay, I'm using Blair Cosmetics Velvet Mousse lipstick. Parang wala akong suot. Oh my god. The shade is perfect. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's glowy, it's colorful, but it's also very wearable now, I think, with the nude satin lip. So far, I loved everything except for the Colourpop eyeliner and the DERMACOL foundation for concealer. For foundation, I think it's great. For concealer, I think it needs a lot of work because it makes the eyeshadow bleed. I don't think it's the eyeshadow's fault. Like, it's making it bleed a little bit, if you can see right here. Medyo nagbe-bleed siya in my fine lines for the eyeliner, only because the more I added into it, the more it got kind of clumpy on my eyes, and it just feels kind of parang crispy and crunchy after a while. But then again, Colourpop is known for everything else except for their eyeliner. Like, they have great blushes, they have great cheek tints, they have great lipsticks, so I wouldn't worry so much about the eyeliner. But the brows, I love the brows. I love the lashes actually, despite of what I said. I love the eyeshadow. Of course, you can never go wrong with Juvia's Place. The contour, Benefit, they can't really do anything wrong. With the blush as well, the highlight is so subtle. It's a cheaper alternative for champagne pop, and the lipstick is just so freaking natural. I'm obsessed with it, and it's so affordable. Overall, this is a great first impression. I actually thought I would hate more products than I did. I loved everything. For the DERMACOL review, I will be posting a separate video on that. The link will be down in the description box. So that is it. I will post all the links of all the products down in the description box. Please make sure to check every brand that is down there. Thank you for all the brands who have sent me your products if you actually did in the PR kits. Because some of the products that I used, I actually bought for myself. I've been forgetting to put the Kikay of the day for a couple of vlogs now, so I will include it now. Kikay of the day will be... You know what? I'm gonna pick you, Marielle and Periel, because you have been so supportive of me for a long time. So you're the Kikay of the day. Congratulations. If you want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below hashtag Kikay of the day, or you can also comment on any of my Instagram photos hashtag Kikay of the day. I will see them anyways, and you could be the next Kikay of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Pass this on to people who you think would like all the products that I have mentioned in this video. Also, don't forget to click the notification button if you want to see more of my videos. So that's it. I have nothing else to say, and with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye. God bless. Mwah.